Right, today I'll be showing you how to take apart an old CRT TV and DVD combo. Should be all sorts of old crap inside there, lots of useful stuff, feels quite heavy. You'll also need a bunch of tools, probably wear goggles as well. What's inside? Some hard to reach screws here. I don't know what that is. Ooh. Quite difficult to get to. Small screwdriver. Ooh, it's stiff. That's bad. Screws are quite deep. I'll try and be careful, don't want to break the screen, that would be bad. Damn it. Carefully, place it like that. Screws are really stuck in there, but I did find this in a rainstorm, so most of the components inside are good for nothing but scrap. Just had it all to dry out. It's unlikely the capacitors inside to be charged after rain. Touching them would have probably discharged all of them. Well stuck in there. I don't think this has ever been opened. Probably not. Likely lots of lead and silver solder with inside, lots of components, copper. A few dangerous things too, such as the electron gun and the mercury glass. 2, 5 screws. Any more? Yeah. Right in the centre of the case by here. Old TV, doesn't have a manufacture date on it though. Seems to be a laser in there as well on the DVD drive. Always useful. Let's try and pry this off. couple more screws connecting the outputs. Lots of screws. So probably it'd be a 2-part teardown, as there's 2 parts in this, TV and the DVD player. Oh, there we go. That's a lot of plastic. Could probably chip that up for a 3D printer. Oh, plenty of components within there. You can see the electron gun there. Plenty of copper on it. No clear way of extracting it though, no screws that I can see. Just seems to be glued in place. Don't want to break that, but there's the socket there on the electron gun. I can just pull that off. Well, there's several other components. I may leave the copper on there because I'll need to dispose of this screen. And scrap dealers won't take it unless there's some material for them. So. Need scissors. Seem to be some zip ties. Watch yourself when you touch any capacitors within. DVD player is completely separate. Seems to be a self-contained unit. Connect all the plugs. Come off. That last. Ooh. See plenty of useful stuff on here. Large heat sinks, some aluminium, some relays. Seems to be a couple of microprocessors. Yeah. Nice. But it's still fixed in place. Large connectors connecting the electron gun, the cathode ray tube, CRT monitor. Carefully take the plug out, as you can see, the socket on the electron gun. That is quite useful. The socket, I mean. I'm just snipping the wires off the electron gun here, carefully. There's also a flyback here, flyback transformer. That can be used for many high voltage projects. Many useful ones. It's connected to the monitor here. There's the flyback. This thing. Sort of hard to identify, but it's a large black block with a couple of focus and sort of gain things written on the side. Tune in the screen itself. You can just snip it off right at the top here on the monitor if you like, or peel off this thing. Oh, carefully. Seems to be welded to the screen. Yep. That could probably be cut. A large copper band as well around this. You don't want that. Trying to work out whether it'll reach the screen. I'll just snip it straight from here. Don't really need this part anyway. Screen seems to be fixed in place with lots of bolts. Well, there's this copper band